What's up, YouTube? We back with another banger, or maybe a tutorial, you guys. My energy's a little down today, but you know it is what it is. We about to finish this debadge video. I'm taking my all-wheel drive badge off and my Infinity logo. So what you need is that. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time Shay posts. All you need. So to start the debadging process, all you need is a heat gun and some dental floss. Like you can use like other stuff, but like to not hurt your paint or anything, just use a heat gun or in the dental floss. If you don't have a heat gun, a hair dryer will do, or like 90+ degree weather, but just for the safe thing. So I'm taking the all-wheel drive off and I'm taking this Infinity off. First, want to start with turning the heat gun on. I'll turn it on low and just working it around all of let it just heat up the glue and adhesive of it. Let me try to make sure y'all can hear me. So you take it, just work it around, heat up the glue and adhesive around it, and then you can take the dental floss and like floss behind like the all-wheel drive and stuff, and then get it to the heat gun. I use this 3M adhesive wheel to remove like some glue, because some of the glue wasn't coming off with the glue gun. So I use this. I purchased this from Amazon. It was like $11 for some change, but yeah, this also helps a lot. So yeah, I definitely advise like using this with the drill, and that also helps the process. Yeah, this is going to be your finished product of the debadge. As I have to buff it, I would have to buff it some more to get like some of this out of it, the hard adhesive and stuff like that. But yeah, this is going to be your final product of the debadge, and honestly it looks way more cleaner, so I love it. With that being said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time Shay posts. But yeah, turn your dreams into reality. Fear no tomorrow. Be the best version of yourself and live your life to the fullest.